On the early morning hours of January 16, 2008, the DeKalb County Police Department and this community suffered a devastating loss when DeKalb County officers Ricky L. Bryant and Eric C. Barker were killed while working a second job as security at the Glenwood Garden Apartments in DeKalb County. The loss to this department and this community obviously pales in comparison to the losses felt by their respective families, their parents, widows, brothers, sisters, and especially their 8 children. In the days following the shooting, members of the DKPD, along with members of the DA's office and other law enforcement agencies, worked tirelessly to identify the person responsible and bring justice to the Bryant and Barker families. The investigation thankfully culminated in the issuance of an arrest warrant for the murder against William Maurice Woodard, age 27. He was identified and shortly thereafter taken into custody on January 18th by members of the DeKalb Sheriff's Office and the U.S. Marshals. On April 7th of this year, a DeKalb County grand jury returned an indictment for charges against Woodard, 2 counts of malice murder, 2 counts of felony murder, and 4 counts of other weapons charges. Today, we announce that the state will seek the death penalty against Woodard for the murder of these 2 officers. The decision to seek the death penalty is not an easy one. Given the facts of this case, we have determined that we would be able to establish the necessary aggravating circumstances beyond a reasonable doubt. It is our hope that we will send a strong message to the individuals that commit crimes in this county that we will not tolerate such horrific acts of violence in our community.
I really applaud the DA for taking this step, for the men and women that reflect these officers every day. Certainly this is a sense of the right direction in terms of healing for them also. This was a horrific matter for us to deal with, and we're still in the healing process. Keep in mind we still have 8 children that was left fatherless by this act, and so as a police chief, I'm just kind of ready to get it on down the road with it, and so this is a good beginning for us.